Hi, I'm Salem Bush, a planner with the Planning Division of the Department of Planning and Development. Let's talk about the future of public facilities in Fairfax County. Right now, we are working on an update to the public facilities element of the policy plan that is part of the overall comprehensive plan for the county. This policy plan, along with the capital improvement program, guides agencies and decision makers on where and how to locate new and expanded facilities throughout the county. This is an exciting time in planning for new facilities and utilities. There are a lot of challenges and opportunities that plan, fund, and implement facility development across the county. In updating the public facilities element of the policy plan, the goal is to develop new policies that address some of the present-day challenges and provide the best opportunities for agencies to address the needs of residents. Fairfax County is a dynamic jurisdiction with expanding needs for services. As our population continues to rise, the demand for community services will increase with less available land to plan for new facilities. One strategy that is continuing to be evaluated and implemented is to combine multiple facilities and services at one location, which we call co-location. For example, at one location, a child care center, a library, and a senior center would be combined into one building. These types of facilities benefit both county agencies and customers by providing one location that provides multiple services. As housing demands increase, one of the most important goals for the county in the coming years is to provide more affordable housing choices for residents. A strategy that will continue to be evaluated is identifying compatible public facility projects where housing can be located near or integrated into the overall development. This is another example of co-location. To successfully achieve these strategies, Fairfax County service providers, engineers, and planners will need to utilize more creative design with efficiency to continue to provide residents greater access to the highest quality of services throughout the county.